Solitaire cache does not have to be permanently stuck in dark mode just because your phone is using a dark appearance setting. By the end, you'll know which settings to check on Android and iPhone, plus what to do if Solitaire cache keeps reopening with the wrong theme. First, check your phone's system appearance setting. On Android, open Settings and search for Dark Theme, Dark Mode, or Display. On iPhone, open Settings, select Display and Brightness, and check whether light or dark is selected. If your phone is set to dark mode and Solitaire cache follows the system appearance, changing the phone to light mode can immediately show whether the problem is caused by the system setting. Next, completely close Solitaire cache and open it again. On Android, open the Recent Apps screen and swipe Solitaire cache away. On iPhone, open the App Switcher and swipe Solitaire cache away. Then launch the app again and check the appearance. If you're using Android, check whether Battery Saver or a manufacturer-specific display setting is changing the system theme automatically. Search settings for Battery Saver, Scheduled, or Dark Theme. Some Android phones can automatically switch between light and dark appearances based on a schedule. On iPhone, check Settings, Display and Brightness. Then look at the Automatic option. If Automatic is enabled, iOS can switch between light and dark based on the configured schedule. Turn Automatic off temporarily and select Light to test Solitaire cache again. The next step is updating Solitaire cache. Open Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Solitaire cache, and install an available update. Then close and reopen the app. If the app still shows the wrong theme, restart your phone. This refreshes the operating system and can clear temporary display or notification processes that did not reload correctly. On Android, you can also clear Solitaire cache's cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Solitaire cache, choose Storage or Storage and Cache, and select Clear Cache. Do not select Clear Data unless you know your account information and understand that it can remove locally stored app data. If dark mode still appears incorrectly after these steps, check whether the problem affects only Solitaire cache. Open another app that supports dark and light themes. If other apps also show the wrong appearance, the issue is more likely related to your phone system settings. The key checks are your system theme, automatic scheduling, Solitaire cache updates, and the app's temporary cache. Start by switching your phone to light mode, fully close Solitaire cache, and reopen it. If that fixes the display, you've identified the system theme setting causing the problem. If this fixed your Solitaire cache dark mode issue, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache fixes.